Good morning, student. Today our next class of mathematics standard 8. Today we will start the new chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. As you know, there are different variable equation you can form, one variable, two variable. Here you will learn about one variable. Okay, how we are forming an equation? It is a statement of equality which contain one or more variable. Variable can be x, y, z, etc. Now, what is how we can solve that? Suppose our equation is given, then how we can solve that? So there are different methods. First of all, it means finding the value of given variable. Okay, how solving equation means you are going to find about the value of the different variable or whatever the available variable in that particular equation. Okay, means here in one variable you will only find that there are only one variable, that is either x, y, z, a, b, c, anything. You have to only find that variable value. Okay, now suppose that there is a equation 4x minus 5 is equal to 3. 4x minus 5 is equal to 3. There are different methods of solving. Look here. Either you will, here is minus sign, then you can write both sides plus sign. That is the way 4x cancellation process. What process that is? Cancellation process. That is x 8 by 4. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Now, this is the one method. Now, here you are doing, here we have divided both sides with 4. Okay, then we have got final, because here we are using the cancellation process. One is direct process, you can use. Same question we can solve direct also. This part of the equation is known as LHS, this part is known as RHS. Now, when LHS it is minus, it will go in RHS, then it will become plus. 4x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 4. X is equal to 2. Okay, in both way we can solve the equation. There are some rules which we have applied here. What are the rules? This part of the equation is known as LHS and this part is known as RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. Now, this is the equality sign. Equality sign means what is the value of 4x minus 5? That is the value equal to 3. Now, we can find here variable is x. Here we have applied cancellation process. Minus 5 will be cancelled with plus 5. So, in both sides, LHS and RHS, we have written plus 5. Here minus 5 and plus 5, 0 means it is cancelled. Then we got 4x equal to 8. Now, 4x means 4 into x. 4 multiplied with x. 4x by 4, 8 by 4. 4 can be cancelled with 4, only variable we can't cancel, only number we have to cancel. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So here we have got the value. Here is one process. Minus 5, that will go in RHS. It will become plus 5. Here is division, here is multiplication. There it will go and it will be divided. So here x is equal to 2. Now, more example we will look. Suppose that our equation is 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. Here will be 3x is equal to 4 plus 5, that is 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 by 3, x is equal to 3. What we have applied here? Here are some rules for LHS and RHS. You will write or note that rule LHS, RHS. If anything is in here minus sign, suppose it is in minus a, it will come here and it will be written as plus a. There is plus a, then here it will become minus a into, then it will be 1 by a. Okay, here is divided, then it will be here multiplied. Okay, means what? Here is plus 5. In RHS it will be going minus 5 will be written. Here is minus 5. It will come here plus 5. Here is into 5. Here it will come into 1 by 5. Here is into 1 by 5. Here it will be into 5. Okay. Means divided 5 can be also written as into 1 by 5 and that can be written as into 5. Okay. Means opposite sign of the process will happen. Now more example you will look. Suppose here 4x minus 5 is plus 4x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. You have to solve this equation. What is the process? Same process we will apply. What are there? Look here. 4x minus 5. What generally this type of equation the students are doing wrong. What they are doing? Here is 4 outside of the common bracket. They are only multiplying 4x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 1. And finally they find that answer they have not got. But here what you have to do? Here is 4 multiplied with x, 4x, 4 multiplied with 5 also. And you will get minus 20. What you will get? Minus 20. Minus 20 and then plus 5 is equal to 1. And there is implied, this implies 4x minus 15 is equal to 1. 4x is equal to 1 plus 15. 4x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 by 4. That is equal to 4. Okay. Some more bigger problem we will look. This is the way. Okay. Don't multiply with only 1. You have to multiply with 4 or how many present in the bracket. Okay. And common, no. This means it is common of both. Okay. When you remove the bracket, you have to multiply 4 with both. Okay. 4 into x, 4 into 5. Generally, some of the students, they are making wrong by doing this. They are only multiplying with one of the number and second they are writing as usual. And then finally they are saying that, sir, we have not got the answer. But due to this condition, they have not got their answer. This type of mistake never do, student. Some bigger equation you will look how we will solve some bigger equation. Suppose that some bigger example are there. Some bigger question. 5 3x minus 2 plus 50 is equal to 3 2x minus 5. Okay, this is our equation. Now here again we will multiply both sides. 15x minus 10 plus 50 is equal to 6x minus 15. Okay, here we will get 15x plus 5, 6x minus 15. 15x minus 6x minus 15 minus 5. That will be 9x is equal to minus 20, x is equal to minus 20 by 9. That is our answer. Okay, x is equal to, this implies x value will be minus 20 by 9. One thing more you will look here, that the implied sign all will be written in the parallel of each other and equal to sign also written parallel of each other. You have to not write like this. Some are doing what? They are writing and equal sign they are changing, varying from line to line. This should be not happen. Okay, and finally you have to write and solve the equation in this way. Look here, when 5 into 3 we have multiplied 50, 5 into 2 10, 5, and this you have to not multiply. That is written as usual. 3 into 2 3 into 5. 15. These two are of the opposite sign, so we will subtract. 15 is bigger, so sign of bigger number. Now here 6 will come in this side, it will come minus, and 5 will go, then it will be also minus. 9x is equal to minus 20, x is equal to minus 20 by 9. As we have got the answer, this is the result. Now more any problem bigger than that, that is in general form. Now number will come like this, then how you will solve? Look here, some question which will be a bigger number. Look, some more example. Their equation is some typical. Typical means it is written in the some bigger way. Look here. Suppose your question is 4x minus 3 by 3x minus 5 is equal to 3 by 5. What you will do here? Look here, student. Where we will apply the formula of cross multiplication. We have one process, that is cross multiplication. Here 5 will come, 4x minus 3, 3x minus 5. You will again multiply 2, and finally you will get your result 9, 20x minus 9x minus 15 plus 15. 11x is equal to 0, means x is equal to 0. Hence we have got the result x is equal to 0. Hope you have understood well, student, and you will solve this type of question today in your home. Hope for the best result. Okay.